If you are in the food service industry and want to save time and money by reducing your grease trap cleaning and pumping expenses and emergency service calls, then you need to take control of your grease traps with B.O.D Snake Block Grease Trap and Drain Treatment. An environmentally friendly, cost-effective solid solution in grease trap maintenance. While the cost of grease trap cleaning and pumping is high, proper maintenance is not. Just place the recommended dosage into your grease trap and notice an immediate difference in the grease buildup and a 96% reduction in odor. It will also reduce effluent B.O.D levels by up to 80% and are EPA and Health Department compliant. B.O.D Snake Block's specially selected bacteria spores will degrade the available F.O.G, fats, oils, and grease in the grease trap. These microorganisms are capable of exponential growth. They double in number every 20 to 30 minutes, breaking down the waste and convert it into carbon dioxide and water. B.O.D Snake Block resides in the trap. They are heavy and sit on the bottom of the trap, and as they slowly dissolve, the biologicals move slowly from the bottom of the trap to the top, digesting the organic waste. By doing this, the strong odors dissipate and the trap becomes more fluid. By residing in the trap, the blocks are able to build up what is called a biofilm inside the grease trap and on the inside trap walls. This is where the biologicals work on digesting the grease and food in the trap and work themselves to the side walls. So when harsh chemicals and bleaches are washed down the drain, it may kill off some of the biologicals working in the middle of the trap. Also, the blocks are in the trap and ready to release more grease-eating bacteria. B.O.D Snake Block lasts up to 30 days, working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. To learn more about the benefits of using B.O.D Snake Block Grease Trap and Drain Treatment and to purchase the product, visit www.drainagesolutionsllc.com.